Shillong and Mumbai. Hey, स्कोर ये शिलोंग ने 2 गोल मार दिया है मुंबई को.
Mumbay, they got demolished against Lansing in the opening game, and all 5 goals that came in the second half. Shillong Lejong, if the scoreline stays this way, they'll go right on top of the group with 6 points. With Lansing, they're playing catch up with 4. And now Abhay straight
Wow,
away.
wow, wow.
That was so close.
2 गोल मारा है, 2 गोल शिलोंग ने.
But that's like it.
Wow, that was nicely done with that. Simply when the entire defense was retreating, look at him. He takes the chance to squeeze that ball. How close that was. It was amazing, and that was a great approach from his captain. And also, if you look at Elbrechtson, he just went and tapped his back to say that was a great shot. And that's something that we will see time and again over here, because Shillong will love to defend now. Keep the ball behind and try to bring that high line from the defense and exploit that space behind. And that's exactly what we'll look at in the second half.
And straight away just forcing a quicker tempo. So easy on the eye. Shillong Lejong with those intricate passings. 329 passes being played in their opening game. And they always keep the opposition second guessing. Is it difficult to mark the Sun's line of running? A very fluid front line.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. You know, when you talk about technically sound team like Shillong, they really play together, youth development coming from the ranks of the grassroots, getting in so many great, good competitive matches in their area. You look at them with the Premier League is there, there's District Cup. They're always playing together, and the competition there is very high in the Northeast. They've got great teams, especially when you talk about this group. They have got 3 great teams from this Northeast side, which at all gives you the experience to really tackle.
Hello, comment karo.
Frankie Durand, slightly overhit. Another decent attack. That's rapid switch of the ball into the wide areas. It doesn't allow much time to the opposition to shift manpower, Henry.
And look at the options also. You know, when you talk about getting onto the wide, putting the ball in, the options are there. There are 2 red shirts already, one end, the first angle, the other in the second angle. But the little quality in that cross would have really made it dangerous.
लाइक करो गाइस, लाइक करो.
The team manager Zoed
किस ने देख रहा है?
Ajay Acharya.
जो भी देख रहा है लाइक करो.
Platform for him as well to shape his coaching career. In a license holder, he began his coaching journey with the renowned Sesa Football Academy in Goa. As a player, he represented clubs like Air India and Denko. Has experiences that continue to shape his possession-based football philosophy. Jota with that step over creates room for the cross. Away to safety. Throw in for Shillong Lejong.
शिलोंग से कौन देख रहा है कमेंट करो, और मुंबई से कौन देख रहा है, किसको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं आप कमेंट करो. सोर को सपोर्ट खालामदों कमेंट खालाम. ओमफ्राय मुंबई देरहागोन ना शिलं देरहागोन. अलरेडी शिलंआ गरनै सोखाबाय, गरनै 2 गोल मारा है अलरेडी शिलं ने मुंबई को. प्लीज सेंड मी द लिंक.
When he saw, he skipped a heartbeat when he said, was it me? And then all of a sudden the referee comes out with his yellow card, and look at that.
Yellow card.
Tackle on the ball and Jume
Wow.
nowhere near that tackle. Clear chance of diving over there. Nicely watched by the referee, Durand. And these are the final points. You see how the players really fox the referee sometimes. You don't have a VR now. It's important the referee to keep his eye on that game.
लाइक करो गाइस, लाइक करो.
You spoke about Brugman's reaction after the referee's decision. And for an uncapped player, Henry, that you never want to spoil your numbers.
Very true, very true. Yeah, that's the better part. The boost was high, just enough to play from there. Didn't even play that way. It's sometimes very difficult, for a player like Rohit to really act like that, especially in the middle of the park. It's just giving you a feeling that you take one advantage, taking the risk of being in 10 and
More out of frustration than challenge. Lejong just makes the opposition ball hungry.
Whoa, 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 goal. गोल 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 बिग शॉक फिर से गोल मारा रे शिलोंग ने और 3 गोल हो गया 3 गोल
Shillong Lejong, they rush into a
साना साना ये 12 नंबर ने और फिर से गोल मार दिया
build-up play. When you talk about individual brilliance, you talk about getting through the defense. Look at Abhay. His outfoot pass to Sana, simply getting that first touch right. Goalkeeper really up and trying to make himself big. He just scoops the ball up into the far corner. What a fantastic goal. This is called individual brilliance. This is what we want in Indian football. And this is the stake that Durand gives you. What a way to celebrate.
right through the eye of a needle. That clever ball in from Trinity completely breached the Mumbay defense. And now Bryson Sana was one-on-one with the keeper. He doesn't miss from there. Attacks keep coming. Chance after chance. Relentless in their quest for another goal here. Shillong Lejong. Not done yet. Inside the penalty area, the players in red queuing up very quickly to overload the box. But they come away with this ball. Mandeep. Only as far as Lamlalian just wins that free kick, invites that challenge, and we all are open to free invitations, Henry.
I tell you, what Mumbai needs to do.
Mumbai.
I think what they can do, and this is the defender who was come and replacement of Faz. And it's going to be very interesting there is that how Mumbai react when they get the ball. When they get the ball, they're not able to really pass those lines. There is no option up front there. There's a great amount of pressing from Shillong. They have to move out as soon as they can. Otherwise, this pressure is going to build up from time to time.
Mumbay FC.
Mumbay FC.
Similar against Langston as well. And how the floodgates opened in the second 45. One goal led to another.
Interesting, very interesting over here. And Shillong will look to really bring the defense high and find the space and exploit.
Mandeep checks back. Is that a foul? Referee not interested. The pass was beautifully weighted into the path of Mandeep, but still made the most of it.
There's a chance of getting out of the wide, getting inside the box. He should have really clinged on to the ball.
Sweeping ball. So Jota creates room for the shot. Jota on the turn.
Whoa.
Slightly
बस गया
set it up. But Sana was waiting.
Sometimes,
बस गया
ball is that rhythm of moving with the ball is very close to you. You don't want to direct the defense away from the defense, trying to find that gap. Finally does it, but his balance was not too good to put that power that is required to score that goal.
Quickly onto a loose. What can they come up with? Can they conjure up magic? Is Nurani? Good
Whoosh.
save. Excellent from Sival Rimbai.
Super chance once again. As for Nurani, is the man behind that ball. His left is deadly, especially when he gets the ball on the edge. Look at him. He really makes that space for him, and that's a striker's ball, when you want to curve that ball. But look at the defense. Goalkeeper, he just gets up into the air, tips that ball out for safety, and look at that. He gets all the
Look at
pride
that.
from his defenders. Well saved.
Cyril Mumbai called into action for the first time in this game. The confirmation of the changes, Shashwat and Parag comes on.
Corner, corner.
Ajay Acharya. The only way they can bounce back is by scoring goals. Nurani. Can they reduce the margin? Can they pull one back? The training ground routine not really working out. As Bansal completely wavered.
Very interesting to get out Rohit, with the yellow card. It's always a risk to have him on the pitch. For a player like him,
Like करो guys, like.
sometime.
कौन देख रहे लाइक करो.
See how he finds himself in front of the wily defenders.
There's a sense of unfinished.
शिलोंग से कितना लोग देख रहे हैं अभी कमेंट करो ना. मुंबई शिलोंग से.
In the last two editions, not on both occasions, Northeast United proved to be the stumbling block. A 3-0 defeat in 2024 and a far narrower 1-0 defeat in 2025. And they'll be eager to go one step further this time. And they began the journey in 2025 with a 6-0 win over Malaysian Armed Forces, their biggest Durand Cup victory. Can they achieve that feat this evening as well? Remains to be seen.
Yeah, it's a solid team, I would say, Sohan. The team has moved into a 3-back system. They have got 2 top defenders.
Sorry guys, नींद आ रहा है.
Really easy to mark, and 1 striker up front. And that is Mandeep now taking that position for Rohit along with Arun. And this is going to be interesting whether they will keep the possession, stretch the entire width of the ground. Because that's where they want the space behind the defense.
Jota now very central. They're operating like a well-oiled machine, and whenever Birendra Thapa he puts those formations in the
Birendra Thapa.
always take that with a pinch of salt.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. I think Lajong will be happy to defend deep, That's where they want to pull out the entire yellow shirts. If they can, it'll be nice enough. That's something that was called. Was there a touch over there? The referee really near him. Oh, there was nothing over there to go down that easy there. And the referee in the right position to give that decision. And Ram Dasan has shown that he's done everything right in this match.
Yeah, absolutely. K. Ramdasan was perfectly placed, had a clear view of the incident, and absolutely spot on with his decision.
Yeah, like I was saying,
माथो नुआबो
Lajong's got 3
बांद्राय होनो हाया फंबाय. कपिराइट फैजानो गिनांगौ.
has been good. It's a perfect game start right now that will try and defend a little bit deep in their own half. They will try to pull out all the yellow shirts out. They will try to creep the gaps behind the defenders and around them. That will be interesting to watch how.
गरथाम सोबाय शिलंआ गरथाम मुंबईखौ.
Solid side, Fairs and carefully keeping everything close, compact. They expose themselves.
Jota and Trinity, they continue to sit and slap. The instructions from Ajay Acharya will be to limit the damage from here on, try and make the scoreline look respectable.
सोर बेसे होखो आदा सिनायासै गल. शिलंआ गरथाम सोबाय मुंबईखौ गरथाम सोना होबाय. गरथाम बरिया गेलेदों शिलंआ.
This time a free kick, one at the other end.
Yeah, Lang. It's an important white leg. It was him who really pushed and pulled Arun there. He does pretty well to squeeze himself between the 2 defenders. what a free kick in a vital place over here. Can Mumbai get one back?
Lamlavian, the man guilty, held him from behind. This is a set piece.
Ay, telepon arka. ओ सॉरी गाइस, फोन आया था इसलिए मैं मूड में रखा है। अभी भी चल रहा है। जागासिनो नै।
Durand. Will he go on the outside? Forcing him to do so. It was hoisted across the face and didn't go in off target. What a good effort from the number 11.
Yeah, I think he's done pretty well over there. He's really impressed. He's got both feet. The last time we saw him do with the left leg and now with the right. Trying to put that ball in that far corner. What a player.
4 गोल मारा है, 4 गोल शिलोंग ने मुंबई को।
Mumbai, though they have been down
Sana.
4 goals, they have shown a little bit of strength to move up, to keep their face high. And this is the experience that we talk about.
For kindness. And Nelson Rimbai brought on. Ever Bryson Sana possibly saved for future games. Jackson hasn't been tested this evening.
4 गोल मारा है।
Pretty busy in terms of contributing to attack. They look slightly out of sorts in the local derby against Nongse in the first half. But as the game wore on, they got into their groove, they found that rhythm. They go Sindai. And with the ball at their feet, it is so difficult to win it back. They can dwell on it. Look at the press. Squeezing out every inch of strength, every inch of space, rather. The moment they lose the ball, they try the counter.
नेट स्लो हो रहा है, नेट स्लो।
Right, you said over there, and that is
ओह सेट,
that
नेट
side
स्लो
of
है।
the game, when you talk about what is their philosophy, and attacking football. And that's exactly what they do. They create stars, and these stars go on to play in the top teams of India.
This man has been running the show from behind, pulling the strings, unfazed under pressure, a midfield metronome. It has been a remarkable second half already from Ladong. Ephraim spreading it up for Trinity, hit from distance, and takes the deflection, removes Sting off it, and a Lamlalian.
Wow.
Second time of asking.
Superstar. He's got an eye for a goal from that distance. He can run stand in the game. Look at that. The way he gets that first touch right and the connection. It just tips in front of the goalkeeper, keeps his eye, walls alert, spins it, collects it. That man, he's been on the edge of every ball that comes in to the defense, takes it away and starts the attack.
It was a 50-50 challenge. Both of them went for it. Well timed by kindness. Panwar in search of a consolation. Here comes Mumbay. The decision goes their way.
Yeah, interesting over there.
बारिश आ रहा है यार, उधर तो बारिश
Shillong for keeping them at bay.
बहुत जोर से बारिश आ रहा है इधर।
And like we talk about learning, this is something that you literally learn from these games.
हमारा बेंगलोर में बारिश आ रहा है बहुत, देखो जबरदस्त बारिश है।
season is well started. It's a great season. Getting the players together is very important. And games like this could help to find the right kind of players.
To the views of Rajong, can they compose their own music? Not quite. The catching practice almost for fuel imbibe.
Well done, Sasha. Once again, you see Ashford really getting that ball into the target.
Dia de mausi nè mang kri mày tha bangal đau boiler mày tha bangal đau boiler
Clever flick. Just to help Tom.
sari khana jari
Towards Nelson, who was picking up pace. Almost 8,000 spectators turning up this evening. And the numbers can gradually increase as Shillong Lajong they edge closer.
nâng halai mang kri ja khư
Yeah, it was a great team to be rewarded. with
nâng ha mang kri ja khư
up in hand for them to cross that. And they are pretty well with the one victory. And if they can get this win, they will be on top of the table.
The team need 1 point to qualify as group
laga
champions.
o kha ga sne yin chi o kha ga gam na nai
They manage a draw. That will be good enough for them to book their place into the quarterfinals. It's going to be a lip-cracking encounter on 13th of August. Shillong Lajong taking on Langston, the debutants. With a fumble yet again from the shield.
Looked at the last moment there. And Durand was
ye
mad.
kya hai
Brings that out for safety, but unfortunately the goalkeeper could not correct it.
baris kidhar hai
Getting that ball on the corner. Now we will see 9 players
Okha
in the
asne
box
okha
and 1 on the ball. The entire team is going to be here to set up this corner.
call me nang nang lai bari phone hornango
Mumbay, they couldn't really resist.
आंथ' नोंनिखौ सिगाङावनो खालामखादों साबस्क्राइब okay call me in
Hit the nail on the head. And now a corner. In search of the 5th goal.
thank you subscribe खालामनायनि थाखाय
Towards the back post. Kept in by Spencer.
Voice whoa shit
Joyson had a glorious opportunity to join the party. To blaze
Join
it
the party.
instead.
mang kri ja khư sari khana jari
Once again, the chance. Look at that goal. Nicely there.
I'm sorry for the inconvenience okay
Right. Ballooned over. That's why he's a defender.
mang kri ja khले खिथाहरद
Absolutely. From a handshaking distance. Went for the top corner. Into the last 10 minutes of regulation time. The side in red means business. The pressing trigger says, well done there. Durand. One waiting in the middle in Panwar. And it will be curtailed nicely by the Lajong defenders.
They have shown some glimpse of fluidity. They passed the ball pretty well from back to the wide. They tried to get the ball
ओंख्रि
in.
खिथानायखौबा मेगना नुवासैनो
Jota really getting in.
नुवासैथ' मा ओंख्रिमोन
And an eventful game. Jota, the Brazilian Manba, comes on. A very young striker. They've got decent squad depth. This Lajong side. A lot of options for Virendra Thapa to dig deep into his bench and bring them on when required. A recipe for success for a side who's got such squad depth. pressing in quantities. Outswinger, what a good ball in.
Good Polish.
The closing embers applying some pressure. Mumbay
Commentate with name.
defender. Nicely done there. Beautiful block. Ephraim got in the way.
Mumbai is showing the glimpse that they can move the ball, they can
Subscribe खालामनानै जोंनि subscribe नोंनिखौ
for the opponent.
नै
But they need some clinical finish. They need some individual brilliance where somebody will come out and create that opportunity that Mumbai is waiting for at this high level. They're yet to score a goal in the Durand Cup.
Mumbai football has been shaped by decades of historic clubs and iconic tournaments. Different journeys, different identities, but the same passion converging here in the Durand Cup. As the minutes tick by, Lajong can almost see the finishing line. 4 goals ahead, the crowd still singing.
like เบอร์เฮอ like เบอร์ไว้เด้อ like เบอร์ไว้
In fact, it's night in the hills is drawing closer.
What a
Winter
place that was.
breakfast with fruits
Crossing
from
the
night.
goalpost.
Oats.
And everybody are delighted with that.
size เธอมาเธอเอาหะ
Fresh of cooker.
ใครหน้าก็เมาสิโนเลย
Just blows up onto the other side. And what a relief for them. They'll start from
Wow.
off again Mumbai.
इतनी खूबसूरत लड़की
wow इतने खूबसूरत लड़के
गले में चप्पल लटकाया करो वाह इतनी खूबसूरत लड़की
wow
नजर न लग जाए
Revive.
इतना खूबसूरत लड़के
Tested at all in this game. Just a couple of crosses from the left. Have to deal with. And apart from that, it's been a quiet evening for the Lajong goalkeeper. A foul on Ephraim.
Mandik.
दखान सोयो नामा नोंलाय दखान
Yes, that. Look at that.
माथो दखानाव सोहैनाय भिडिअखौ नोंनिखौ
Control himself and gets the yellow card. He's a player who's got some skill. He's got good technique with him when he gets the ball. A little bit more creativeness from him.
It's such a delight for football lovers of this region to see clubs from the northeast.
दखान दंनो दखान दं अके मा दखान मालाबा थांनांगोन र' बेरायनो
From Manipur.
जाहोहरनांगोन दै
Debut season, almost confirming a place in the knockout. Another team in action late in the evening. In Guwahati, the Northeast United will take on Karbi Anglong Morning Star. 9 clubs from the Northeast took part in this edition of the Indian Oil.
गासैखौबो मोनजोबगोन आदसा सिरियाल नाम्बार
Manba.
मा मा मोनो गासैखौबो अमा बेदर ना नारजि अमा मोनगोन ना मोना
The evening is almost complete for
मोनोबा थांसै
Lajong. 4 goals have illuminated the scoreboard and the hills are already beginning to celebrate.
They've been able to win the ball in pressured spots, and that is Mandeep. Man got a yellow card, was replaced straight away by the number 9.
रायमना हाबजेननायनि फार्स्ट लामायावनो आदसा बेयावसो
Number 9 in place of Mandeep.
थांगोन र' थांगोन हाबलांनांगोनलै नारजि अमा जाहोहरनांगोन खिन्थु
And try to add some physicality up top. Shashwat Panwar.
लावगिगि साइसथार माथो गावहा सेन्ट्रेल हस्पिटालनो अके फै
The towering presence of Arthur and Joetson, the 2 Brazilians combining.
सेन्ट्रेल हस्पिटाल दंलायो होनबा नोंसिनिथिं
From behind.
And they've done pretty well over there. Right now, they're trying to
नारजि अमा संना दोननांगोन दै खिन्थु
and wait for that transition he can really
थांबाबा सिनायगोना सिनाया सोरहाय नोंलाय थ' होनथोंसै आरो
that space that is required will have the possession of offside.
मा बाय बाय जालाबायखो गोदाव सोराव
Another attack developing. Figo Sendai almost took a wicked deflection, but thankfully
स्नाइप प्राइस
Yashil. No damage done on this occasion.
Away on that side, that ball coming in one.
मा स्नाइप प्राइस जाखो
Nicely cut off there. Another repeat. But this is something that we talk about.
रायमना हाबजेननाय फार्स्ट लामायावनो दा सेन्ट्रेल हस्पिटाल अके
Transition is something that is signature of
स्क्रिनशट खालामना लानोसै नोंनि एड्रेसखौ
It's a lovely field.
बाजैया बोरो बाजै गैयालै आंहा
Ran into a red shirt.
बबेनि बाजै
It's going to be a
थालाबायनांगौ
mental block for a lot of teams to go past the likes of Arthur and Joexon.
बाजैया नोंखौसो जागोन बाजै
Bamba twisting and turning. Bamba, lovely kick. Shillong,
वो यो 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 गोल 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 5 गोल मार दिया गोल गोल गोर बासोबाय रायजोफोर शिलंआ
on toss of the cake.
super stuff once again. We're talking about the transition. We're talking about how they can
नै बरिया बरिया बरिया
simply looks the ball up. Look at Figo. The spot jump was absolutely brilliant. He towered
बरिया हेडिं सोदों दै हेडिं हेडिं हेडिं
over that defender
नै
blocked that ball in power. The header had the power.
थगायदों दा लं जाखाबायनो
No chance whatsoever there.
मा थगायनांगौ जाखो
5-0 to the coach. 1 to Figo.
And now it has become a rout. What began as a closely fought contest, ending in a storm of goals.
ये खेल खत्म होने वाला है अभी बहुत गर्म है
The
खेल
floodgates have opened, and Mumbay
Let
are
me know.
drowning beneath the tide of Lajong attack.
नारजि अमा संना दोनो ना बेफोरखौ बादो
Full voice now.
नारजि अमा संना दोनबा थांसै
What a chance
रायमना नेसनेल पार्कआव बेरायहैबा
for them to play at this level. The team that have played in the ISL team, in the ISL top group, have been in the semi-finals of the Durand Cup. And that's the experience.
रायमना नेसनेल पार्क थांबा बेरायहैनांगौ
Goes to space. Figo Sendai. He keeps going. With that vertical move. Lovely ball in. Trinity!
इश बस गया रे बस गया ओ माय गॉड
Delightful pass from Figo Sendai.
बस गया बस गया बस गया
Went down very few.
बस गया रे भाई बस गया बस गया बस गया बस गया ओ माय गॉड
Far end. Good options there for you. Nevertheless, that's a striker's shot. If you can shoot, go fast. Don't dribble. That's the mantra.
Shillong Lajong. They stand on the threshold of another emphatic victory. Mumbay are waiting for the final chapter to close. Additional time of
90 मिनट्स हो गया और 4 मिनट बाकी है 4 मिनट बाकी है 4 मिनट अभी
Just keep himself to himself. Have to just bring him down. Good game time for him. Young boy from Mumbai.
Ball whipped in. Joexon was the target.
और 4 मिनट बढ़ा दिया भाई टाइम बढ़ा दिया
Thwarted nicely by Joshi.
That lad running has really impressed. For the skills and ability to get onto the right, he can play on both the wings. Very versatile player.
Works it to the right. Very busy player. A live wire from the wide area. Another hit. It comes off right safely. He's busy defending the number 14. tensed up. Trinity turn. Referee playing
Yes,
advantage.
sure.
Takes a slight deflection out for a corner.
Was wondering what was that advantage there. He was brought down inside the box and the winner ball hit the hand of the defender. And look at that.
Look at that.
That was very close. The hand shy of the ball. The hand back.
Man, dia kena takut aku dah dia.
The referee doesn't go for it.
That's too high. All that advantage of goalkeeper.
4 गोल 5 गोल हो गया 5 गोल
The range, when you put that ball too high, it has to be near the penalty spot so that you have players to try and attack it.
5 गोल मार दिया रे शिलोंग ने
Ah, macam mana? Only tu solo. Oh, country soccer.
Just a minute and a half left. At the cusp of back-to-back victories, Shillong Lajong. The highest margin victory in the Indian Oil Durand Cup, as I mentioned earlier, 6-0 against the Malaysian Armed Forces. Still time to match that feat.
Yes, absolutely. You know, when you talk about the game that they play, that they help everybody entertain, it's not anything they want territorial control. They want to repeat entries into the final third, and that's exactly what they look for. They have numbers inside the full match coming. The midfielders stuck in to give them that chance. And what more do you want?
A tired leg round. Okay, miscued it. An accident creator, Shillong Lajong. This is how they tease. This is how they torment opposition.
They actually tire opponents. And that's something that we talk about, the concentration through 90 minutes. They have broken that structure, I would say. The defensive structure is broken, but the midfield is losing progression. And they're giving them gaps, retreating in their own half, as in waiting for the time to take and the referee to blow the whistle.
And here it is, the final whistle in Shillong.
खेल खत्म हो गया भाई भाई खत्म हो गया भाई खेल शिलोंग ने जीत लिया 5 गोल में
Where they belong, on top of Mumbay with